Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Septien. I got another unboxing. Some more earbuds. These are the XLeader SoundAngel Pro 2. Yeah, these are definitely knockoffs for the AirPods. Let's see here, we got hi-fi stereo sound, crystal clear calls, waterproof, charging case, and voice assistance. That's a weird name for a company, XLeader. That sounds like something for Sith Lord, like XLeader. The rebel forces are fleeing. What should we do? Let them go for now. They're only prolonging the inevitable. Like it's a weird name. Okay, let's get inside this box. All right, I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, UNICEF. Yeah, I gotta help the kids. Except love the kids. Ooh, a free 2-year warranty. Okay. I'm gonna activate that. All right, here's a guide showing you about the tips. Okay, here's a little quick start guide. Yep, see, SoundAngel Air Pro 2. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Okay, we got full touch controls here. Nice. No ANC or ambient mode though, but that's good. That's good. All right, that's the. Ooh, it's got color. It's got pictures. It's got pictures on it. Cool. And here are the buds themselves. Ooh, I like the way this feels. Ooh, it's got kind of like a shimmer to it almost. Let me see. That's nice. Okay, you got XLeader branding right there on the inside. All right, got the little film on the connectors on the bottom. Let me take these off and see if they got any juice. Oh man, these things are on here.
1 hour later.
Okay, so these got Bluetooth 5.1. They got a IP rating of IPX8. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at these tips. Got plenty of tips. Wow. That is a lot of tips. I like these color-coded ones. Got black, neon green, neon orange. Let's see. Got some accessories. Open this box up. Ah, it comes with a little pouch. That's cool. And you might need that because this thing is very glossy. That's why I went with the white instead of the black. Let's see, you just put the earbuds in there like that. There, cool. That's nice. And we got USB-A to USB Type-C. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Let's put that to the side. Let's check out these earbuds. Let's see how they fit in here. Alright, good. They had some juice in it now. The charging indicator lights are on the bottom instead of like right here on the top where the lid is. It's different. Oh, these feel good. Oh man. I think these are medium ear tips on by default. I'm gonna have to put on some. I'm going to test these out. So far, so good. I like the way these feel. Okay, now let's compare this to my Pixel 4a. See, XLeader SoundAngel Air Pro. That is a mouthful. Lord have mercy. Okay, that's 70%. Nice. Hold on, let's see what type of codecs we got here. Well, we don't have aptX, so I don't see. Let me go into developer settings and see if these support at least SBC. Developer settings. Let's go all the way to the bottom. Yeah. When it's grayed out like that, that means don't support it. Oh well. I'll have to do some further testing on these to see how they sound. Whether they're got like a V shape with a lot of bass, or whether they're clear with a high treble. Overall, I like them. There's some pretty neat. Yeah, look at that. You can't see them. Okay, there. See, lights. They light up blue. It looks like AirPods Pro case. Like, these are definitely some AirPods Pro knockoffs. This has been the unboxing of the XLeader SoundAngel Air Pro 2. Thank you for watching, and come back for more.